big and tasty. And he's like, and I was like, well, how do you make it? And
I sang it.
I know he's saying it.
Just say it fast. Come on.
Come on, Cruz.
Optional. What did I say?
With or without cheese, optional.
With or without cheese, optional.
No, you guys
Say the whole thing.
How to make it? And Sabrina would do her, what's that thing? Them things.
H.O. Baby.
H.O. Baby. Oh, she has to do it first now.
Okay.
Say it.
Dingo, so we can do this all
Come
day.
on.
When the dingo, wait, I forgot what I'm supposed to say. When the dingo eats your baby.
You didn't say it right.
I know.
Right.
Yeah, it's not funny when you don't say it. Yeah, Sabrina.
You
Put
said-
effort into
You
it.
just let everybody down. I'm not doing it.
Do you need another shot?
Come on.
You need another shot?
Say
I
it.
don't think that'll help.
Cruz. Say the big and tasty.
I can't even say it right. I don't even know how I said it.
How do you make a big and tasty? You know how.
I can say it and I can try to sing it, but I don't even remember the beat. I had my own drunk
That's
beat,
being really hot.
We just tried it because it was awesome.
and I just wang it like, yeah.
I know. He did. He thought he was the shit because he sang it. And I was just staring at him like, wow, you are that drunk.
Yeah, I don't know.
Come on.
No,
Come
I
on,
can't do
then
it.
just tell us, how do you make it? And then put a little rhythm in it. What?
Yeah.
I'm
All
not.
beef patty special sauce. What is
No,
All
he had a beat going. It
I
was
had a beat going, and everybody's going with it.
You're like 8 miles. Start going 8 miles down.
Yeah.
Big stomp.
Stomp the yard was hilarious. I couldn't
It's like, you just got served, you're fucking big and tasty. Oh, sorry, Doris. Here, let me wash my mouth.
Yeah, I don't know.